How to use Find My on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can use the Find My feature on your iPhone. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you have your Apple ID on your iPhone, and Find My basically means it's just a feature to lock your iPhone and you can track it whenever you want. If you lose your Apple Watch, your AirTag or whatever else, you can use the Find My app in order to track it. So if you want to go ahead and use Find My, first of all, open settings, tap on your Apple ID profile, tap on Find My, and you want to make sure that it is turned on. If you want, you can also share your location and you can see my location as well. When you turn Find My off, there's actually a very important thing that you want to keep in mind. So if you happen to reset your Apple ID, and even if your Apple ID was logged in but your Find My was turned off, the person who resets your iPhone will be able to use it by using their own Apple ID. But if you have turned on Find My iPhone, right, so if you lose your phone and if the person resets it, they will still not be able to log in because the Find My lock was turned on. They have to have your Apple ID in order to log into that iPhone. So this is simply what Find My, most important, it does. They're just going to keep your iPhone locked if you happen to lose your password. So after that, what you want to do is simply go ahead and then open the Find My application. If there are any types of apps or devices or items that your AirTag is using or whatever else, you can actually locate them right over here. This is simply how you can use Find My on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.